Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is going to be on this intense smoky glittery fall makeup. So I hope you guys like it, and if you wanna know how I got this look, so please keep on watching. Alright, to begin, I will prep my skin with oil serum, and I really press this onto my skin. And I'm gonna be taking my beauty blender just to press this all in. Next, I'm gonna be taking this foundation from Huda Beauty in a shade of Latte and applying this with the same beauty blender that I used a minute ago for my skincare. Move on to my concealer, and I'm gonna be using this NARS Creamy Concealer, and I'm gonna go ahead, and you know the drill, just apply that everywhere where I want my face be highlighted or where I need a little bit of coverage. And once again, I'm gonna be using my beauty blender just to buffing this all in. Alright, so now it's time to contour, and I could never skip this step. And I'm just gonna be taking my Crayolan contour stick, and I'm just using my flat brush to apply this. And next, I'm gonna be taking my cream blush, and I'm using these shades right here. And using an angle brush, just going in and blending this out. And then I'm gonna be setting my face with a translucent powder. And let's move on to my eyes, and first thing first, I'm gonna be taking my brow gel from Anastasia. This is in a shade of soft brown, and I'm gonna be filling them in starting from the base of my brow and tracing a line until to the tip of my brow. To define the eyebrow, I'm going to be taking a little bit of concealer and a flat synthetic brush, and I'm going to be cleaning up along the brow bone like so. The first palette I'm going to be using, I'm going to going in with this Anastasia and going in this shade, burnt orange and orange soda, and this will be my transition color, and using my 224 brush from MAC. And I'm gonna going in with this shade right here, and just to deepen more the outer V. And taking once again the 224 brush from MAC, and just to blend these two colors without adding any product. Taking the shade Cocoa from Carnival 3 palette from Stacy Marie, and just I will apply this all over my lid. Next, I'm gonna be applying a glitter. This is from Inglot, and I will spray my brush with Pixie Plus and just apply this all over my lid. And I'm gonna be taking a nude pencil. This is from MAC, and just I will apply this to my waterline. And I'm gonna go ahead and taking the same shadow and just I will smoke the lower lash line. I'm just taking the eyeliner from the balm and I'm gonna draw an inner wing. Now that the eyes are done, and I will curl my lash and applying a mascara and my falsies. And now we're finally done with my eyes, and I'm gonna go ahead and taking my big fluffy brush and just dust away all this powder. And I'm just gonna go ahead and applying a bronzer. This is from NYX. And for my blush, I'm gonna be taking once again this palette, and I will be mixing these two shades. And to set and lock the makeup into place, I will apply this Pixie Plus from MAC. And to line my lips, I'm gonna be taking this lip liner from MAC. And lipstick from Giorgio Armani. And for my highlight, I'm gonna be taking this shade from the Balm. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. And I really hope you guys enjoy watching this tutorial. And if you do, please don't forget to give me thumbs up. And comment down below and let me know guys what you want to see next on this channel. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.